Next song, not gonna lie, it's a gut wrencher. It's by Carrie Underwood. It's actually one of her lesser known songs, but I think it's so killer. It's one of my favorite songs. I know you don't mean to be mean to me, 'cause when you can make me feel like we belong, like we belong. Lately you make me feel all I am is a backup plan. You say I'm done and then you smile at me and I forget everything I said. I'm buying to those eyes and into your lies. You say you'll call, but I know you. You say you're coming home, but I know you. You say you'll call, but I know you won't. I wish you were where you're supposed to be, close to me. But here I am just staring at this candle burning out. Still no sound of footsteps on my stairs. Oh,